Okay, so is everyone ready? Can we start? Boleh mula? We'll start with Form 1, okay? Okay, so first of all, in this session lah, basically I will explain all the topics lah to you guys. Saya akan terangkan satu per satu, Form 1 to Form 3, all the basic you all should know. So first of all, I want to tell you all that Form 1 to Form 3, majority don't ask in paper 2. Okay, majority you guys, everyone here must focus on paper 1. Okay, focus kat kertas 1, Form 1 to Form 3. In paper 2, Form 1 to Form 3 hanya akan ditanya is like what Jonathan said, I think. The plan dongakan, plans and elevation. That one you all must focus for Form 1 to Form 3. Other than that, Form 1 to Form 3, I don't think much lah. Not many topics. Basic algebra, all you must know lah. Is under Form 1 to Form 3. Kaidah basic, all of those. Okay, so first of all, as you all know, when you all see formats SPM lah, bila kamu tengok kertas, you will have this. Am I right? Formula sheet. You should have these 3 pages lah. So make sure kamu semua guna yang ni dengan baik-baik. You must use the whole formula sheet that is given to you well. Okay, don't miss out this formula sheet. Got a lot of formula here. Okay, so yeah, this is just the start. Okay, so first topic that when you enter secondary school. Okay, topik pertama kamu didedahkan adalah nombor nisbah. Okay, in English is rational number lah. Okay, so basically what you all must know here is rational number got 3 types: integer, fraction, decimal. Okay, pecahan dan perpuluhan. Okay, so guys, remember this one 0 is considered as integer. 0 adalah integer. This is one of the famous question also, you must know. Okay, this topic right guys sangat penting. Mengapa? They can relate to your sets. Because mereka akan bagi set A diwakili oleh integers. Set A represent set of integers. So kalau kamu tak tahu integer, if you don't know what's the meaning of integer, then you're gone lah. Because you have to list out the set. Am I right? What number inside the set? So that's why basic all this boleh apply kat topik-topik tingkatan 4 dan 5. Form 4, Form 5 topik. Okay, so you must make sure lah you all know integer. Okay, so integer got positive, got negative. Okay, but integer come under rational number. Okay, integer tu tergolong di bawah nombor nisbah. Okay, rational number is a big tree. Integer is one of the branch. Pokok dia adalah nombor nisbah. Salah satu cabang dia adalah integer. Okay, so this is the example lah I want to tell you all. Okay, then we got fraction, of course. Guys, I want to ask you all one thing. What do we call this kind of fraction? Apa kita panggil jenis pecahan macam ni? Can anyone tell? What is this type of fraction we call? There is a specific name. In English or Malay? Not proper fraction. Yes, mixed fraction, correct. Ataupun dalam BM dia adalah nombor bercampur, 1/5. Okay, but if you convert this fraction, adakah dia pecahan wajar atau tak wajar? Is this a proper or improper fraction? 1/5? Yeah, tak wajar, improper fraction. So at the same time, it can be a mixed fraction and also an improper fraction. Dia boleh jadi nombor bercampur dan juga pecahan tak wajar. Okay, so you got many forms lah to write the fractions. Okay, you all should know this lah, very basic, but it's important lah. Okay, so then last thing you all must know is decimal, perpuluhan. Okay, can be anything lah guys, decimal. No matter how many titik perpuluhan you have, decimal lah, that's it. Okay, ini tak kira berapa tempat perpuluhan kamu ada, dia masih adalah nombor perpuluhan. Okay, never change one. Alright, so I want to give an example here lah. To make you all clear, one example. Satu contoh saja. Saya bagi kamu semua faham. I want you to understand the difference between significant figure and decimal place. Apa perbezaan antara angka bererti dengan titik perpuluhan? I give you all an example. Guys, if this number, berapa angka bererti? How many significant figure is this? Very good. Okay, how many decimal place? Berapa titik perpuluhan? Yes, 3. Okay, this one simple example lah because all the number is non-zero. Semua integer dia bukan kosong. But now let's say I involve a 0. This is when it get tricky. Sebab titik perpuluhan adalah salah satu perkara penting kan dalam matematik. You must know how accurate your answer must be. Any topic lah, you must know how many decimal place you must put, how many significant figure, berapa titik perpuluhan berapa angka bererti. Jadi semua konsep ni datang dari bab ni. Okay, over here. Okay, it belong to this chapter. So now let's say I give this number. Okay guys, how many significant figure? Berapa angka bererti? Correct, 3. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kosong tak kira. The zero in the front is not counted. Okay, as angka bererti. Tak termasuk. But this one, how many decimal place? Berapa tempat perpuluhan? Yes, 5. Decimal place senang nak tengok. Angka bererti saja banyak confused. A lot of people confuse on significant figure, and this is one of the question that you will see in paper 1 mathematics. Kamu lihat soalan trial lah. If you see your trial paper 2023, ada satu soalan. Dia akan tanya berapa angka bererti. Mereka akan bagi nombor, lepas tu bundarkan ke angka bererti terdekat. Macam tu. Round off to 3 significant figure. So you must know lah. Okay, this is one example. Got some more. So let's say I give you all another number. Okay, like this. Okay guys, this number, how many significant figure? Berapa angka bererti? Careful lah. Okay, good. 3 angka bererti. 3 significant figure. 0 not counted. Kosong tak termasuk. Don't tell 5 significant figure, guys. Wrong concept. 3 sahaja. Okay, although you might think that 0 ni rasa macam dia adalah bererti kan sebab nilai akan berbeza. You might think that 0 is a significant number because 864, 8640, 8640 ada perbezaan sangat ketara kan. There is a large difference, but actually no. Okay, dia tak terkira di bawah angka bererti. It's not counted as significant figure. If this kind of number lah, nombor macam ni. Okay. So yeah, this is the 3 types of numbers lah. 3 nombor macam ni saja. Mereka boleh tanya, nothing else. Alright. So all clear? This is chapter 1 lah guys. Yang kamu belajar. Itu saja. This is chapter 1. Form 1. Okay guys, any question you have on this chapter? Apa-apa soalan? Clear? Huh? This one touch and go only guys. We cannot go deep. Because as long as you can answer paper 1, selagi kamu boleh jawab kertas 1, enough already. No need to know deep. Because bab ni tak keluar dalam paper 2. They won't ask. Okay? Kalau tanya pun section A sahaja. Okay? Only in section A. Alright? So next one is factors and multiples. Faktor dan gandaan. Okay? So you can see over here lah. Faktor. Faktor bagi 12. Okay, this one should be no problem lah for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, basically faktor means you can divide the number to dua-dua nombor tu. The remainder is 0 lah. Jawapan kat akhir adalah kosong. Okay, so example you can take 12 divide 4. 3, 12. Tengok guys. Baki dia kosong. This is mean by faktor. So guys, can I ask you, is 0 a factor of 12? Adakah kosong faktor bagi 12? Just think and see. Is 0 a factor of 12? Okay, but correct. No. Okay, this is a good concept lah. Guys, kamu cuba bagi 12 dengan kosong. Ada baki tak? Is there a remainder when you take 12 divide 0? Kalau kamu fikir logik lah. Ya, sebenarnya dia ada baki. Baki dia adalah infinity. Ya, undefined. Actually, this is counted as a remainder. Dia ada baki. Okay, that's why ia bukan faktor bagi 12. 0 is not a factor of 12. Okay, tapi 1 ya. Sebab baki kosong. Baki kena kosong, baru dikira faktor. Okay, only when the remainder is 0. No other number. Infinity also not counted. Only 0 counted as factor. Okay, so this is how we do. Remind me of differentiation. Okay, nanti kita bincang at maths. Don't bring at maths here guys. Nanti semua confused. Sekarang kita fokus maths. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, guys, you all heard this, isn't it? Common factor, faktor sepunya. I think you all very clear on this, right? So let's say saya tak guna contoh ni. Saya bagi contoh kat kamu. And then you tell me the answer. Okay, let's say lah. Okay, saya nak tanya faktor serupa 6 dan 2. What is the common factor of 6 and 2, guys? Can you all tell me? Senang saja. Okay. Is it all? Yeah, remember, also 1. Yes, 1 and 2, not only 2. Satu always is a factor, no matter what number. Satu selalunya akan jadi faktor. Okay, so this is the answer lah, 1 and 2, nothing else. Alright, so simple only this one. And this one, if you all do enough trial paper, you all will notice, like this, they will ask in set topic. Am I right, guys? Mereka suka tanya, mereka akan suruh kamu listing, senaraikan, what is the factor of 6 dalam tajuk set. Apa faktor bagi 6? Jadi kamu kena tahu semua ilmu ini. Where this knowledge come from? From form 1. Dari tingkatan 1, bab 2. So that's why it's related lah, dia ada kaitan. But you all think of it as, what to say, common sense. Kamu semua dah biasa. Yeah. Okay, so this one done. Okay, next one. Guys, you all heard of this, right? Faktor sepunya terbesar, highest common factor. What method do we use, guys, to do this? Apa kaedah dia untuk cari faktor sepunya terbesar? Yes, repeated division, pembahagian berulang. Correct. Okay, very simple. Kamu buat macam ni. This one also ada tanya kat kertas 1. Saya ada nampak soalan. They also ask this in paper 1. Okay, so you must know lah. Okay, so this one very simple lah. Kamu bahagi 6 terus dapat 2, 3. So guys, can I divide 2 and 3 some more? Adakah saya boleh bahagi dengan lebih banyak 2 dan 3? Yeah, no, end already. But guys, what condition saya boleh teruskan pembahagian? When can I continue to divide? What is the method? Yes, LCM. Okay, LCM is faktor sepunya terkecil. Okay, so that is the condition. So let's say saya tanya sekarang, apa gandaan sepunya terkecil. What is the lowest common multiple of 12 and 18? Can anyone tell the answer? Apa jawapan dia? What will you get? Lowest common multiple of 12 and 18. Gandaan sepunya terkecil, 12 dan 18. Anyone? Yes, correct, 36. Not 2. Not 2. This one originally 6 already. So you must continue to divide. Teruskan pembahagian. So you see over here, you can divide by 2. 2 and 3, you can divide by 2. Become 1 and 3. After that, you 1 and 3, what you have left? You can divide by 3. Guys, remember, LCM, your akhiri, the ending must always end with 1 and 1. Dia kena akhir dengan 1, 1. So guys, you times all these numbers and see. 6 times 2 times 3. This is your LCM. Okay, refresh lah a bit. Okay, ini adalah gandaan sepunya terkecil, 36. Okay guys, yeah, correct. This one also common question lah, paper 1. Paper 2, they won't ask. Kertas 2 tak tanya. Okay, so next one, this one, okay. Just now we look at faktor kan, tadi kita lihat faktor. Now we see on multiple, gandaan. Okay, multiple very easy, guys. Why they put CFA here? Kalau kamu semua tahu CFA 1 sampai 10, kamu pasti tahu gandaan dari 1 hingga 10. If you know your CFA is what in English? If you know your, is it times table? I'm not sure. I forget already. What is CFA in English? Timetable. Okay, correct. You will know the multiples of 1 to 10 already, directly. Okay, very simple. So example, multiple of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Kamu tambah 6 saja pada nombor sebelumnya. The pattern is you add 6 to the previous number. Okay, so same lah, 8 also same. Okay, it can be any number. 100 also you can have multiple of 100. Gandaan 100, 100, 200, 300. Like that lah. Okay, nothing much over here. Okay, so then of course if you have faktor sepunya, if you have common factors, surely you will have gandaan sepunya, common multiple. Okay, it's common lah. So example. Okay, I don't want to use the example here lah. I create own example. Let me see any place. Okay, we use this one. Okay, guys, I want to ask the common multiple of 36 and 48. Can anyone tell me? Apa gandaan serupa 36 dan 48? You must type out everything. Ada banyak, guys. No. Don't use common multiple. Don't use LCM. Use listing. Guna kaedah senaraikan. Senaraikan gandaan 36, senaraikan gandaan 48. Lepas tu tengok persamaan. Which one is the same? That is the method. Anyone? Common multiple. At least 2 you give me enough. 2 saja. Cukup. Multiple guys. Multiple. Not factor. I catch you all already. Gandaan. Not factor. You all tell is factor. Saya nak gandaan. Anyone? Multiple of 36 and 48. One simple number you can get, guys. I teach you technique. Satu tips. Kamu darab dua-dua nombor ni saja. Kamu boleh dapat satu gandaan bagi dua nombor ni. Gandaan serupa. If you just times both of the numbers, you will get a common multiple already. You should get 1728 if you times. Okay, kalau kamu darab dua nombor-nombor, yeah, correct. 1728. Okay, and then if you try and see lah, trial and error only, guys. Wait, I just try. Pritika, common multiple of these two, not all the multiples. Saya nak yang serupa, the common one between 36 and 48. What you're doing is everything, all the multiple. Okay, you must see the question carefully. If they just ask multiple, then correct. If they ask common multiple, means both must satisfy. Dua-dua kena sesuaikanlah keadaan tu, kena tepat. Okay, 144. Okay, let me check. Yeah, correct. 144 adalah satu gandaan, 36 dan 48. Common multiple of 36, 48. Correct. Okay, so you got two answer di lah. 144, 1728. Okay, mereka takkan tanya banyak. Don't worry. It will be very few only. If it come out in objective lah. Kaedah paling senang, kamu ambil pilihan yang diberi, lepas tu bahagi dengan soalan. You just divide the number in the question. If got no baki, no remainder, means it's a multiple lah. Dia adalah gandaan. If you divide, kalau kamu bahagi, ada baki, maksudnya dia bukan gandaan lah. Okay, this is the concept. 144, yeah, you just times 2, correct. You can use this technique also. Okay, kamu hanya darab 2. Bila kamu dah dapat nombor tu, kamu darab 2 kepada nombor tu. It will definitely be a multiple of these two. Okay, can, correct. Okay, guys, are you clear on the common factor, common multiple? Any question? Faktor serupa, gandaan serupa, all this? This one all paper 1 only, guys. Mainly from 1 to form 3, you focus paper 1 saja. Kertas 1, nothing else. Okay, guys? No question, So, this is chapter 2 lah. Ini adalah bab 2 yang kamu belajar kat menengah rendah, form 1. Okay, so we go next one lah. Chapter 3. Okay, this one also basic but important lah. Okay. So in chapter 3, dalam bab 3, you all learn about all this. Okay, kuasa 2, punca kuasa 2, kuasa 3. Yeah. And kertas 2 bahagian A, correct. Sometimes a few lah, but quite rare. Okay. Yeah, be very low mark. Maka dia akan sangat kurang. Kalau form 1 to form 3 ni keluar kat kertas 2. Okay, mainly is form 4, form 5, paper 2. Alright, so now we talk about this one. Okay, so guys, do you all know how to read this? A lot of people will say 4 square, right? Okay, correct lah. You can say 4 square. Kamu boleh cakap 4 kuasa 2. Okay, can. Or you can also say kuasa 2 bagi 4. The square of 4. Two ways. You can say 4 square. 4 times 4 also can lah. 4 darab 4 pun boleh. Okay, no problem. Because what we see now is maths, not language. Okay, kita tak tengok bahasa. So can lah. Okay, but this one is just basic only. And then this one, guys, remember, when you see cert, automatically we assume it as punca kuasa 2 tau. Okay, sorry. I think it's too big already. Whenever we have a cert, it's automatically punca kuasa 2. Okay, if mereka tak tulis nombor macam ni, guys. Punca kuasa apa ini? Can you all tell me? Yeah, that's why the name is square root. Okay, punca kuasa 2. Yes, the order is 2 lah. Okay, punca kuasa 2. Only if they put a number. Kalau mereka letak nombor kat tepi ni, what is this, guys? Macam mana kita panggil ni? Yeah, cube root. Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay, punca kuasa 3. Kalau punca kuasa 2, mereka tak letak nombor. They won't put the number. Alright? So I think this one you all know. Okay, this one famous guys. They like to ask in set topic. They will ask you to list down. Senaraikan kuasa 2 sempurna. List down the perfect square or perfect cube. So you must know lah. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 until the end lah. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. That's why they call it perfect square. Perfect square means bila kamu ambil punca kuasa 2 dia, you won't get remainder. Tak ada baki. Okay, kamu boleh cubalah. Yeah, correct. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, correct. Same for perfect cube lah, kuasa 3. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. Yeah. So this is what you learn lah, basically in chapter 3. Everything rumuskan here already. Okay guys, any question? Chapter 3, form 1? All clear? If got question, please ask. Okay, I know very simple for you guys, but I still have to teach. Just in case lah, something come out that you all might suddenly stun there. Have I learned this before? Just to avoid that moment lah. Because sometimes you are bound not to cover everything in the syllabus, right? Kamu tak boleh baca form 1 to form 5. So this is like, yeah, dedicated means you or me, I don't know. I think you're telling me, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, bab 4, chapter 4, very important, no need to talk. Okay, now we learn about chapter 4. See lah, you make me distracted already. Okay, ratio, rate and proportion. Nisbah, kadaran, kadar and kadaran. Okay, ratio, rate, proportion. This one guys, very important, sangat penting. Especially paper 2, mereka suka tanya, write the ratio. Okay, tulis nisbah. A lot of people don't understand the meaning of ratio. Banyak tak tahu maksud nisbah. Can anyone explain to me in just one word? Yeah, correct. What is the meaning of nisbah? Can anyone tell me? Yes, fraction. Or better word, satu lagi perkataan. Can anyone think beside fraction? Anyone? When you have fraction means you, bila kamu ada pecahan, apa operasi kita guna? Yes, divide. Okay, bahagi. Okay, remember ratio is always divide, bahagi. So don't get scared, jangan takut bila nampak perkataan nisbah. Dia maksudnya bahagi saja. It just mean divide. Okay, yeah, simplest ratio lah. That's the meaning. Nisbah termudah, then you continue to divide until you get the simplest form of answer. Okay, so make sure guys, in maths you must always give your answer to the simplest form, including this topic, nisbah, bagi pada jawapan termudah, no matter what. Okay, unless the question say you don't need to permudahkan or something lah. Okay, but not like that usually. Always give answer in simplest form, bentuk termudah. Alright, so next one you all learn is about rate. I think rate, anyone here take science stream, you all very familiar lah. Guys, if they mention the word rate, mereka tengok pada apa? What do they refer to? Bila nampak perkataan kadar? Yes, per time. Okay, bahagi dengan masa. 1/time, correct. Per unit time. Okay, maksudnya per second, per minute, per jam, something like that lah. Okay, it has a time frame. Dia ada julan masa dia. Okay, it's not forever. It's a specific limit. Okay, so next one you all learn is proportion. Okay, actually proportion something like nisbah lah. Okay, dia ada hubung kait antara nisbah dan kadaran. Okay, example guys, if you see this relationship, is it directly proportional or inversely proportional? Adakah dia berkadar langsung atau songsang? A and B. Can anyone tell? Yeah. Okay, wait, let me think. Wait. Are you sure, Haida? Not inverse, dia actually berkadar langsung. Yes, directly proportional. A equals KB, guys. K tu pemalah, constant. You all learn in variation. Jadi A berkadar langsung dengan B. A is directly proportional to B. Okay, how they get this relationship is, from A equals KB, K is equal to A over B. Am I right? K akan sama A bagi B. That's why you got A1 over B1 equal to, mereka tulis dalam bentuk berbeza lah. Actually the same. A1 over A2 equal B1 over B2. Oh, in that case, yes, correct. A1, kalau kamu direct compare to B2, yes, inversely proportional. But I mean, within the same A1 and B1, I compare these two. Saya bandingkan atas dengan atas, bawah dengan bawah. So it's actually inverse. Okay, guys? Are you clear? Boleh faham? Make sure always you know when they write like this. Okay lah, guys, very simple example. I know you all, anyone here don't take science, ah? Can anyone tell me siapa tak ambil science? I mean the pure science, physics, kimia, bio. Siapa tak ambil kat sini? I think everyone take, right? Oh, ada juga yang tak ambil. Okay, I think majority take lah. So I explain using a simple concept. What? Let me think. Okay. You all learn this, right? I know banyak budak science tulen. You all heard of this, right? Boyle's law. Okay, what's the formula? P1 V1 equal P2 V2. I never study physics, this topic very long. I still remember the formula. Okay, P1 V1 is P2 V2. So how they get the relationship, guys? Macam mana dapat hubungan ni? Is because P is inversely proportional to V. Am I right? Yeah, konsep dia adalah keadaan, proportion or ratio. Okay, this is inversely proportional, berkadar langsung. Songsang, sorry. Okay, so that's why you get P1 V1 is P2 V2. Okay, kalau dia berkadar terus, if it's directly proportional, I give you another example. Satu lagi contoh. Sorry. Wait nah. File suddenly crash. Sorry Oh, sorry. I think a lot, I mean, minority lah, but I still try to explain using this concept. Okay, one more concept that can show you about proportion. I show you all here. Guys, you all heard of, let me think. Pressure law, hukum tekanan. Yeah, correct. I'm explaining rate and proportion, that topic, using this concept. What is the formula, guys? P1 over T1 equal P2 over T2. Am I right? Ini adalah rumus untuk hukum tekanan. So macam mana dapat rumus ni, guys? How to get this formula? P is directly proportional to T. P berkadar langsung dengan T. Am I right? That's why you get P equals to KT. That's why you get K equals to P over T. Ini sebab datang macam ni. This how you get this one. Am I right? So this is the exact thing they show you over here lah. Ini adalah benda yang sama saja. This one. Wait this formula over here. So can you guys see it? Boleh nampak how they get this proportion? Everyone here? Exactly like that concept. Sebiji saja you get this one. So that's how, yes, correct. Guys, macam mana kamu dapat formula adalah dari ubahan. It comes from variation. How you derive a formula, it comes between the relationship between two quantity. Example like she give, P equals F over A. P directly proportional to F. Tekanan berkadar langsung dengan F. Tekanan berkadar songsang dengan A. P inversely proportional to A. So you combine. This how they get formula lah. Ini cara dia. Nah, like this, they investigate relationship between two quantities dan gabung dua-dua. Okay, you cannot directly investigate one shot all three. It is separate. Dia adalah berasingan. Melalui konsep ubahan kita gabung. To the variation you all study, we can combine. Like this one, combine with this. Ubahan gabungan. Okay, combine variation. You all learn, right? Subtopic 1.3 in your modern maths. Okay, so this is the concept lah. Okay, guys. So are you clear? Chapter 4, ratio, rate, and proportion. So this one also, okay lah, should be easy. Guys, this one don't look down, this topic. This form your foundation for your maths, trust me. Algebraic expression. Guys, don't look down this topic. Jangan pandang rendah. All the things you all learn in maths so far is algebra. So remember, this topic, if your basic not good, very hard. Okay, this is the where you all first start to see algebra. Kali pertama kamu lihat algebra is this topic. Form 1 chapter 5. Okay, so it's an important topic lah. Okay, so first thing you all must know is a fixed value and a varying value. Nilai tetap dan nilai berubah. Okay, I think the word itself explain lah. Perkataan tu kamu tahu maksud dia. Okay, this one is tetap, tak berubah. This one is change according to time, berubah ikut masa. I remember my sister cheated me saying A plus B equals C. Depend on the value of A, B and C lah. If it's equal, then correct lah. Okay. So next one, you all learn on this one. Guys, you all understand or not the meaning of like terms and unlike terms? Sebutan serupa and tak serupa. Okay, hope you all know lah. Like terms is like this, X and X. Okay, dia kena pemboleh ubah yang sama, the same variable and also the same power of the variable. Kuasa yang sama, pemboleh ubah sama. This is what we call like terms. Okay, example lah I give you all. Let's say got 2x and then tiba-tiba ada like this. So guys, are these two like terms? Adakah dua-dua ni sebutan serupa? Yes, no. Okay, because the power berbeza already. Kuasa berbeza. Although satu pemboleh ubah saja, only one variable, but the power different. It must satisfy two conditions to be called as like terms. Same thing for unlike terms. Okay, exactly the same. You can see over here. Dua pemboleh ubah berbeza, two different variable, unlike terms. Okay, and then dua kuasa berbeza, two different power, unlike terms. Okay, so this is how you can see it lah. Like terms and unlike terms. Sometimes I think they got asked also, paper 1. Okay, mereka akan tanya. So you all must know lah. Okay, guys, this one. To those taking admits, siapa-siapa ambil matematik tambahan kat sini boleh tutup satu mata. If this one you don't know, don't tell me you're taking admits, please. Okay? Kalau kamu tak tahu buat yang ni, kamu jangan ambil matematik tambahan. Drop sekarang. Drop it now. Because I know you cannot do the paper. This is the basic of admits, guys. Trust me. You all will do this many times. I kill few people already who drop admits. They suddenly tell me, I drop admits already. I'm like, why? Mengapa kamu drop admits? I also don't know lah. Never mind, we continue. Okay, this one you all must know lah. Memang kena tahu because they like to ask in maths also. Okay, I'm sure banyak kat sini secara tidak langsung kamu semua anggap ni sebagai pengetahuan am kan? Am I right guys? All of this is like general knowledge to you already, but it is important untuk ulang kaji balik. Mungkin kadang-kadang kamu tak peka tentang sesuatu, something lah. Okay, so example, this one I no need to explain lah guys. 5a plus 6a, 11a. 12 minus 3, you get 9bc. Alright, okay, this one maybe some of you might confuse, but dia guna hukum index saja. Just use your index law to do this. Okay, tak perlu buat macam ni. Okay, don't write like this in the exam. Terus baris pertama kepada jawapan. Direct from first line to answer. This one all very basic. Mereka tunjuk step by step. Okay, so yalah. Kalau bahagi atas sama, bawah sama, same variable, top, bottom, you cut lah. Then you will get 9Q. Yeah, and maths help modern maths, correct? Not wrong. Okay, guys. Are you clear? Bab 5. Any question? Important chapter, guys. This form your basic for algebra. Dia adalah asas algebra kamu. Bab ni. Okay, so I go chapter 6. Okay, this one your favorite lah, guys. Linear equation. What is this, guys? What is linear equation? If you cannot tell me this, you don't take admits. Apa persamaan bagi bentuk linear? Can anyone tell me? What is the general equation? Okay, very good. Lucky no one typed wrong. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Kalau kamu tak ingat, kamu ingatlah. Ada satu cikgu kan, y equals mx plus c. There is a one teacher on YouTube named y equals mx plus c. Am I right? Kamu semua kenal dia kan? Matthew Pang, his name. Okay, y equal to mx plus c. So this is the general form for straight line equation. Okay, guys? So this one you all must know lah. Bab ni akan ditanya juga. Very famous. Okay, so guys, linear means power what? Can anyone tell me? Kuasa bagi linear. Apa kuasa dia? Yes, always 1. Tak boleh lain. Cannot be different. Always 1 only. Power 1. No matter what is your variable lah. Tak kira X ke, Y ke, Z. It can be any variable. Jangan fix minda. Kata pemboleh ubah tu hanya boleh X atau Y. Wrong concept ah. It can be any letter. Dia boleh apa huruf kamu nak. A, B, C, D. Okay, can be anything. Alright. So then example is this lah. You can see over here. Okay, so all of this, semua contoh ni bukan linear, non-linear. Okay, so can anyone tell if like this, what do we call it? X kuasa 2, what's the name? Apa nama dia? Yes, quadratic. How about this? 1 per m, what is the name? Apa nama dia? Fungsi macam ni? Very good. Reciprocal, okay? The name is reciprocal. BM I forget already. Is it songsangan lah, if not mistaken? Okay, I think songsangan lah. Alright, 1 over x. Bentuk graf dia macam ni. This is 1 over x graph. Y equal to 1 over x. Yes, inverse. Okay. So the other two you need to know. Mereka takkan tanya. Tak perlu tahu. Yeah, songsang. Okay, correct lah. Okay, so this one is the basic lah. The second one you all must know is how to form linear equation. Guys, this one apply in many places. Yang ni kamu guna kat banyak soalan. Mereka akan bagi situasi, you have to convert it to linear equation. Am I right? Paper 2 also got asked, paper 1 also got asked, basic. Especially your matrix chapter, bab matrix. Mereka akan bagi situasi, you must form equation first. Kena bentuk persamaan. So how you get the knowledge? Dari bab ni. Okay, forming linear equation. Alright? So this one simple example lah. Okay, satu nombor, kita tak tahu what's the number, we don't know, so we just give it a symbol X. Okay, kita bagi simbol saja X. Okay, don't say easily. Some people will make mistake one. Okay, I know it's easy, tapi soalan-soalan senang ni, you all can careless one. Very easy. Okay, that's why topik-topik simple macam ni is danger also sometimes. Because too easy, sampai you all also sangat confident already. Yeah, that's why. So don't look down on this topic all. Okay. So next one, example. 1 pen RMY. So 5 pen will be 5Y lah. Okay, basic also. And then 1 book RM3. Okay. Then the jumlah RM7. Okay guys, I want to modify this question a bit. Saya nak modify sikit. Let's say saya beli 5 batang pen. 1 pen RMY. 3 buku. 1 buku RMX. Okay, 3 books, 1 book RMX. Total, saya bayar guna RM100. But the baki I get is 17. How do I write this equation? Can anyone tell? 5 pens, RMY each. 3 books, each book RMX. I pay 100, I get balance 17. How I write this? Can anyone type out? Very good. Okay guys, the answer is like that. Okay, jawapan tepat-tepat macam tu. Okay, you must understand the concept of pay and balance. Berapa yang kamu bayar dan baki yang kamu dapat. This one also they test a lot. Okay, how much you pay minus the actual cost is your balance lah. Okay, so this is how you write it. Okay guys, any question until now? I think should be none, right? Okay, so we go to the next one. Okay lah guys, this one. Guys, do you all need any help on this? I think this one I cannot explain anything. It's just like that. Dia macam tu saja. If you take Admaths, kamu tak tahu buat ni, you drop Admaths terus. Okay, because this is basic sampai basic already. Okay, it's too basic this one. Okay, this is linear equation. Macam mana kamu selesaikan? Okay, so I think most of y'all are using this concept lah. Shift to the right hand side. Dari belah kiri, kamu bawa belah kanan. From left hand side to right hand side. Okay, always use this concept. Okay, and guys, one more thing. When like this, how you find the M? Macam mana kamu cari M usually? Remember, you must invert the fraction. Kamu kena songsangkan pecahan dia. Okay, remember to invert 6 times negative 3 over 2. Don't do straight 6 times negative 2 over 3. Common mistake. Okay, you forget to songsangkan. So if you forget that one, wrong answer. Alright, so this one you must take note lah when you want to find the M value. Some people sampai sekarang also don't know how to solve this to get the M. Because mereka ambil 6 times negative 2/3. Salah. You must remember to switch. Okay, so this is how we solve lah. Other than that, this one very simple. Okay, this one is the basic. Alright. Okay, now we come to this one. Okay guys, this one I want to ask you all. Which method you all prefer? Substitution or elimination? Mana kamu lebih suka? Can I see? What is your opinion? Anything? Okay, both. Okay, I like Pritika's answer, both. Okay, correct. Be flexible, guys. You must be flexible with both methods. Don't just depend on one method. Why I say this? Mengapa tak boleh bergantung pada satu kaedah? Because certain question, a certain method might be more suitable. Jenis soalan macam ni, method ni akan lebih bagus. Means shorter lah, less time needed. That is why you must know both. Kamu kena tahu dua-dua. Because soalan macam ni, method ni lebih bagus. Soalan macam tu, method tu lebih bagus. Correct. Yeah, sometimes you must use both. In AdMaths lah, itu case for AdMaths. But Maths, no worry. Kamu ada 2 persamaan saja, max, to solve. Only 2, not 3. Yeah, correct. Okay, so you all pandai-pandai buat lah. So anyone still don't know how to do any method? Siapa kat sini tak tahu antara dua ni mana-mana kaedah? Or semua tahu how to do? I'm just thinking lah guys, if the question want to stick to you lah, they will say by using elimination method. Kadang-kadang soalan boleh tanya dengan menggunakan kaedah penghapusan. Then you have no choice. Kamu kena ikut saja. But usually lah, pray that your batch not so strict. They won't tell like that. Soalan akan open. You can choose any method you like. But if they want to strict, they will mention the method. And you must use that method. Kalau kamu guna kaedah lain, habis. Okay? You all learn matrix. Am I right? Soalan will say by using matrix method. So you must use matrix. You cannot use all this. Kamu tak boleh guna yang ni. You will get wrong. Okay? Although answer correct. Okay, so my advice is kamu belajar dua-dua, study both. Alright, and what is the way guys to check whether your answer is correct? Macam mana kamu tahu nilai ni betul? Can anyone tell? What you all will do? Correct, use back your calculator. Key in this value inside one of the equation. Check whether it's correct or not. Kamu masukkan jawapan kamu dalam dua-dua persamaan. Kalau left hand side equal to right hand side, means your answer correct lah, betul. Guys, one more thing. I know maths exam coming, right? So don't forget calculator. Major problem this one. Banyak akan lupa bawa calculator. So please bring your calculator. Okay, I'm not there to count for you. Am I right? Okay, and the pemeriksa also won't count for you. If you have no calculator, you count on your paper or use your hand. Like that means you take 10 hours lah to complete your maths paper. Actually can. If you're rushing, sometimes unconsciously you might forget because a lot of things, right, to check IC and then other things as well. One more problem, guys. Second tip, bring 2. Okay, pastikan jangan bawa satu calculator saja, bring 2. Don't say I can pinjam from the friend. Okay, friend won't give you. Friend need, they should also have spare. Okay, just worst case scenario lah. Kalau mereka tak ada, just bring 2 lah. Wow. Is she Chinese? I just asking lah. Is she Chinese? I don't think otherwise lah. Okay, you don't know, so. Oh no, okay, means I wrong lah. I study people wrongly already. Okay, never mind. I pernah tertinggal calculator masa exam at maths. Yeah, guys, maybe I should tell lah what to bring. Okay, guys, remember, maths exam mathematics, bring protractor, bring compass, jangka lukis, jangka sudut, calculator. Graph paper akan diberi, don't need to bring graph paper. Okay? Wah, you tertinggal calculator masa exam at maths, gone. Okay, guys, one more tips they show here. If you want to solve simultaneous, kamu boleh guna calculator juga. I think you all know, right? You can use calculator to solve simultaneous. Okay, untuk check lah, check jawapan only. Tapi kamu kena tunjuk jalan kira. You must show the working. Or else gone lah. You won't get the mark. Okay guys? Clear? Bab 7. Okay, so next one we all learn is linear inequality. Actually, this one dia gabung dengan form 4 punya. Okay, but this one is the basic knowledge. Sanders what? Okay, I will type the list. Okay. Hopefully I remember lah. Okay. Okay, first thing guys. Okay, this one simple lah. 2 less than 7. You cannot spam. The group chat only open to admin. Very sorry. Maybe you can spam the DM lah. Okay, 2 less than 7. 2 kurang daripada 7. Okay, if you, guys, this one got 2 meaning. Dia ada 2 maksud. 2 can be less than 7 or 7 can be more than 2. Okay, don't just think one way only. Jangan fikir satu cara saja. You can switch the sign and become opposite also. Yeah, I know you like to communicate there. I know you guys all will spam me. Don't worry. I'll send. Okay, so, guys. This one is the simplest way lah to remember. B. Huruf B, the symbol is like this. Am I right? So, means lebih besar, bigger. This symbol is bigger. This symbol K, how you write K, is this way. That's why kurang. Okay, you must use BM lah guys untuk hafal. Besar, kurang. Okay, very simple. Okay. And then of course you must know the situation lah. Mereka akan bagi situasi kat kamu, suruh kamu bentuk ketaksamaan linear, form the linear inequality. So example guys, limit, speed limit is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Make sure got equal to. If no equal to, different meaning. Sama dengan symbol tu very important in this chapter. Alright, if more than, like this lah, the symbol. Okay, and this one, guys, you all still remember this, you all learned before. Anyone here forgotten this? Siapa pernah lupa yang ni? Anyone? Or you all still remember? When to put blank, when to shade the dot. You all must remember, when sama dengan, make sure you shade the dot. Lorekan titik tu. Okay? If don't have sama dengan, just leave it as a circle. Okay, this is when you are drawing the number line, garis nombor, to show the inequality. Okay, ketaksamaan. Okay, round at both ends tu biasanya at maths kan. Round at both ends. Actually, at maths we don't use this much. Usually in maths only. Because at maths we got kaidah to solve already, quadratic inequality. Am I right? We draw the graph, kita lukis graph. But this one, we don't draw graph. We draw number line. Kita lukis garis nombor. Alright? Oh, okay. Maybe got many method to solve lah. Ada banyak kaedah. So one of the method they use is this one. Okay, but I think most people in maths usually draw graph, right, to see the range. Am I right? So yeah, graph is the best method lah for quadratic. Okay, so this one, guys, take note, inequality. Guys, if I shift the 1 here, does the symbol tukar? Do I need to switch the sign? This one you all must clear. Careful. Yes, no. Okay, remember. Hanya tukar simbol ketaksamaan bila darab atau bahagi saja. Not yes, When plus or minus relation here, don't switch the sign. Only divide and times. Okay, when you shift a negative number, when it is divide or times, baru kamu tukar simbol. Okay, negative number only, nombor negatif saja. Yes, sebab ni tambah dan tolak kat belah kiri. Okay, when it is divide and times on the left hand side, baru kamu tukar simbol. Yang lain jangan tukar simbol. Okay, remember this lah. Because paper 1 suka tanya bab ni. Okay, this the example lah guys. Can you see guys? Dari yang ni, tukar yang ni. Mengapa? Can you see that? Guys, I want to ask you all, negative 4y, apa hubungan kat tengah-tengah? What is the relationship between these two? Negative 4 and y is times. Sebab negative 4 darab y, kamu dapat negative 4y. So it's times. That's why when you shift negative number, pindah nombor negatif ke belah kanan, you must switch the sign. tukar symbol. Remember this. Okay, must switch sign. Okay guys, take note because kalau kamu tak tukar simbol, a lot of problem. Yang ni akan salah. This one will be wrong already. Okay, so make sure your sign is correct. Okay, so yeah, this one is just the example of numbers that satisfy the inequality. Okay, nombor-nombor yang memuaskan ketaksamaan. Okay, yeah, okay, ask. Anyone got question, please ask. Will they ask in the exam? Paper 1. Paper 2 so far I never see. Paper 1. They will give you option. Choose the correct option for this one. So far paper 1. Okay, so no need to worry so much. Okay, so next one, you will have to solve simultaneous linear inequality. Ketaksamaan linear serentak. So you can see example here lah. Okay, how to solve it simultaneous. This diagram is important when you have to solve two inequality one shot. Okay, dua secara serentak, raja ni sangat berguna. Okay, you must use. Okay, so example lah. This diagram you only use when the symbol kat jawapan kamu dia sama arah. When the symbol is the same direction, right? Like less than, equal to, then only you draw the diagram to make a conclusion. What will be your answer? Okay, kalau simbol dia macam ni, x greater than 3, x less than 5. Can anyone tell me the final answer? Apa jawapan akhir kalau saya dapat yang ni? Macam mana kita tulis? We no need to draw the diagram. Tak perlu lukis raja. So how it will come? Yes, correct. 3 less than x less than 5. Ini jawapan kita. Kalau dua-dua simbol, opposite direction. Kalau sama direction, you must draw the diagram. Okay, ingat, lukis raja. Okay, kalau kamu boleh nampak dengan mata terus, itu paling bagus lah. If you can see directly, then okay lah. But chances are, kamu akan buat silap. So make sure you all draw the diagram lah. Less risk. Okay, so how we know the answer? You can see over here. You should get this one. Okay, mengapa X lebih kecil dari 3 jawapan? Because it is the common region. You must always take kawasan berlorek yang sepunya, the common shaded region. That is why X is less than 3. You can see over here, there is no shaded region over here, no common region. So that's why this one cannot be our answer. Okay, dia terlebih had dah. It is above the limit. So that's why we cannot consider 3, 4, and 5. That's why X is less than 3. Okay, guys? Are you clear with the diagram? This one you must clear because paper 1 will ask, surely. Okay, when I say like this means got high chance to come out because I've seen in the trial paper. That's why I tell you all. Okay, so make sure you all know lah. When I emphasize these kind of things, you all must know lah. Okay, example, another one is this one. Okay, so you must know, this one is combined, dia gabung. So kamu kena pisahkan, you must split it out. So how you split? Based on the inequality sign. Kamu tengok simbol ketaksamaan tu, then you separate. Okay, this one is, use different color. This one is 1, and then this one is another one. Can you all see? Okay, that's how you can get two separate inequality over here. Dua ketaksamaan yang berbeza. Okay, actually right, guys, kalau kamu nampak lah macam ni, do I need to draw this diagram? Perlu tak saya lukis saja kalau simbol dia bertentangan? Do I need to draw the diagram if opposite symbol? Yes, no need. Okay, direct write the answer. Tak perlu lukis saja. Only when the symbol ketaksamaan is same direction, then only draw the diagram. Okay, you can see over here. Less than, equal to, more than, combined straight. Okay, negative 2, less than W, less than, equal to 4. Final answer. Okay, guys, are you clear with chapter 7? Any question? Clear. Wow, I know you clear one. I think majority also should be clear, but I just go through only. Okay. Okay, guys, this one, you all don't like this chapter. Am I right? Lines and angles. This chapter, right, guys, trust me, at least 3 to 4 questions they will test you. Paper 1. Very famous. They like to involve the circle with the angle. I think you all should know lah. Okay, anyone struggle this chapter? I think a lot of people don't like the angle thing, right? Yang sudut-sudut dengan bulatan tu semua, but this chapter sangat penting. Okay, kamu kena tahu. Alright, because objective at least 4. Okay, ni tak tanya kat exam. Actually got asked. The basic kat form 1. Later form 2, form 3 kamu belajar lebih mendalam. Okay, basic they still ask over here. Oh, cara lukis jangan risau. I tell you lah which one important. This one you all must know how to draw, yang ni. You must know how to draw perpendicular bisector. Why? Guys, you all remember transformation? How you all find the center of rotation? Macam mana kamu cari pusat putaran dalam transformasi? Anyone? What must we draw? Kena lukis apa? Yang ni lah. Pembagi dua sama serenjang. You must draw the perpendicular bisector and then see the intersection. Tengok persilangan. That is the center of rotation. That is why this one important. This one won't ask. Okay, saya pun tak nampak. This one actually is almost the same as this one lah. Dua-dua ni sama. Okay, this one no, mereka takkan suruh. Okay, this one also not really. This one also no. Okay, but if it come out, don't blame me lah guys. Kalau dia keluar, jangan tell me why you say won't come out. I'm saying this based on all the trial paper I have tried. Saya tak nampak satu soalan pun. Okay, not even one question. So that is why I say most likely won't come out. I didn't say 100% won't come out. High chance only won't come out. So still got a few percent mungkin mereka boleh tanya. If this one come out, maybe paper 2. Mereka akan suruh kamu lukis. Okay, so all this chapter, that's why I say kamu kena bawa jangka lukis. You must bring your compass. Okay, all these need compass. Kalau kamu tak bawa yang tu, habis. You cannot draw. Okay, this one cannot use freehand guys. Ingat, you must use the alatan. No freehand over here. Remember. Mereka boleh tengok perbezaan antara freehand dengan guna alat tu. Okay, they can see the difference. Alright. If this one you want to see the step, you can go back to your Form 1 textbook. Guys, anyone got still the Form 1 textbook? Siapa masih simpan kat sini? I think you all throw already, right? Form 1 maths textbook. But I think no worries, you can still find online lah. Tengok dalam talian. Hey, don't like that lah. Guys, treat knowledge with respect, please. Okay? Just look up online your Form 1 maths textbook. Mereka dah terangkan dengan detail cara nak lukis yang ni semua. But as I say, yang penting kamu lihat yang ni. Because this one, they always ask. Oh, okay. Okay. So, this one important. All of these are guys, very important. Trust me. They like to ask this a lot. Suka tanya sangat. Okay, first thing you all must know, angle of one straight line is 180. Remember, guys, question will always tell you, PST is a straight line. Do you all see this when you do paper 1? Mereka akan bagi label, satu garis tu garis lurus. But what they actually want to tell you is, to let you know that it is actually 180. Means you must use this concept. Mereka takkan bagi tahu it is 180 degree. They will just say PST is straight line. But you must remember in your mind, they want to test you on this. Maybe 180 tolak satu sudut, you get the answer. Something like that. So this is a keyword. Straight line. Kalau mereka tak katakan itu garis lurus, if they don't mention is straight line, don't assume it is 180. Another warning. Okay, jangan anggap dia adalah 180. They must state this one. Especially paper 1. It is a straight line. Then only you can assume 180. Okay, guys? Make sure you all know this. You must look at this keyword. Alright? Okay, next one you all learn is this one. Reflex angle. Okay, now I ask you all. What is the angle? Apa lingkungan sudut dia for it to be called sudut reflex? Anyone? What's the range of the angle for the reflex? A? Are you sure? Yes, 180 to 360. Remember, guys, reflex is 180 to 360. What is obtuse, guys? Obtuse berapa? Sudut cakar, dia punya lingkungan. Yes, 90 to 180. Masih lebih kurang dari 180 juga. Okay, because 180 to 360 dia adalah reflex. Okay, how about 0 to 90? Apa kita panggil 0 hingga 90? Yes, acute or TOS. Okay, remember all this basic. Okay, this one you all should know lah. Satu putaran, one whole rotation, 360. Okay, next one. This one I think maybe some of you all might forget, but I think should be still okay. Sudut pelengkap in English is called complementary angle. Okay guys, what is the total angle? If complementary, apa jumlah sudut dia? They will always ask this in angle question. They will tell you P and Q are complementary angle. P dan Q adalah sudut pelengkap. Lepas tu mereka tanya cari P and Q. So how you find? Kamu kena tahu fakta dia. P tambah Q equal 90. So they won't tell you directly 90. They'll tell you they are sudut pelengkap. So all the knowledge come from here lah. Okay, how about supplementary? How much? Sudut penggenap, yes, 180. How about conjugate? Yes, 360. Remember, don't forget all this. Okay, jangan lupa yang ni. Because they can just put the name. Mereka boleh letak nama saja. Kalau kamu tak hafal, habis. Okay, you won't know what they talking about. Alright? Because mereka tak semestinya akan bagi wajah kat kamu. Mereka boleh sebut saja. They'll just tell the word without any diagram. So you have no clue. Okay, so you must know lah. Okay, and then this one, another famous one. They like to ask on this. Okay guys, A and C, if opposite angle, sudut bertentangan, nilai dia sama. It will be the same. And then opposite DB, atas bawah, sudut sama. Remember. Alright, and then the adjacent, sudut bersebelahan, the sum will be 180. Jumlah dia akan 180. AD, BC, ini semua kita panggil sudut bersebelahan, adjacent. Okay, adjacent means side by side. Okay, side by side is adjacent. Okay, and then this one, famous also. Guys, you all still remember, right? Z. Z is a very important letter dalam mathematics because the sudut kat dalam, at the corner, penjuru sudut tu sama. Okay, example, let me see. R and S, nilai dia sama. Okay, because of the Z shape. And then you can say that P and S also same. Sudut P dan sudut S nilai dia sama. Mengapa? Guys, if you see this kind of symbol, what does it mean? Kalau ada anak panah, what does it tell you? Anyone? Parallel, remember. Mereka tak semestinya kata dia adalah selari. Mereka boleh letak simbol saja tu. And you must know it is parallel. Okay, tak doesn't mean the question must tell you it is parallel. As long as you see that sign, it is parallel, nothing else. Okay, and then interior angle, sudut pedalaman. This one actually I think is called the F symbol lah. You can draw something like a F here. Okay, so the interior angle Q plus S is 180. Another info. Can you see guys? Ada banyak-banyak info yang kamu boleh guna to solve your paper 1. Okay? Guys, this one. Do you all still remember this? Angle of elevation, angle of depression. Anyone confused this one? Siapa-siapa tak boleh faham ni? Because I also confused last time a bit. Anyone? Or are you clear on this? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Macam mana lihat? Okay, got Okay, simple guys. Dongak. Bila cikgu suruh dongak kepala, how? How you dongak kepala? How you elevate? You look up. Am I right? Tengok atas. That is why the angle is measured from horizontal to the line until where you see lah. Okay, example like this. At the middle here, this is the angle lah, like this. Okay, dia adalah sudut. Yeah, always refer to the question. Mereka akan kata A dari B, A from B. The word after the from. Perkataan selepas dari, it is the angle. Remember, A from B means put your angle at B. Letak sudut kat B, not at A. Okay, so these are the tips. Always lihat after the word from, what is the thing they want. Then you put the angle there. Simple like that. Same thing for tunduk. Guys, depression. Depression kamu pandang atas ke? Do you look on top? No, right? Kamu pandang bawah. sudut tunduk. That's why depression, you look down. Okay, nak tanya, boleh je? Tak boleh. 100% salah. Although boleh dapat jawapan betul. So look at A to B as a staircase. Can? No problem, can? Because the staircase, it keep on increasing, so there will be an angle lah from the floor. Can? Okay? Are you clear? And then how to find the angle, guys? Macam mana nak cari sudut tunduk atau dongak? You use your trigo lah. So katua. Okay, because what type of triangle is this, guys? Apa jenis segitiga ni? Can anyone tell me? Yes, right angle. Always will be right angle. No worries. Okay, selalunya dia sudut tegak. So that's why you can use soka tua, trigo. Okay, mereka boleh combine dua-dua. Angle of elevation dengan trigo. Bentuk satu soalan. So you all must know lah how it goes. Okay, so this is chapter 8. Okay, guys, clear? Any question, chapter 8? Anything you want to ask? I think none, right? Okay, so we move on lah. Next one, basic polygon, polygon asas. Okay, this one also very important. They like to ask about the angle. Mereka suka tanya tentang sudut. Okay, so guys, revise. What is the total angle here? Apa jumlah sudut segitiga? Can you all type out? Come on, come on. Yes, 180. Very good. How about quadrilateral? Sisi 4. What is the jumlah sudut? Yes, 360. What is the jumlah sudut for pentagon? Yes, not bad. 540. Okay. How about hexagon? Total? Okay, you all know already lah. Good. How about heptagon? Very good. 900. How about octagon? Yes. How if I ask nonagon? Nonagon, how much? Okay. Decagon, usually they won't ask. Yes. So can anyone tell me apa rumus kita guna? Very good. N minus 2 times 180. Okay, this is how we do. What does N represent, guys? N2 diwakili apa? Yes, number of side. Very good. Okay, so this is how you can count. Actually, no need to hafal, but you can see the pattern one. It plus 180. Okay, mereka tambah 180 kepada sebelum. Okay, so it's always plus 181. Alright, so now let's say, does anyone know all of these? What type of polygon do we call it? Apa nama semua polygon ni? Can anyone tell? Yes, irregular. Polygon tak sekata. Okay, all the side is different. Okay, semua sisi berbeza. So can I ask you? Oh yeah, ada. Perpenjuru. Wait, let me think. If not mistaken, saat saya lihat kat sini, does it show here or not? There. Bilangan perpenjuru. Kita guna formula ni. The number of diagonal is this formula. Remember, guys, you must use this. N represent the number of side. Isn't N minus 2 something got to do with triangles? It can apply to every formula. Haida, you mean this one, right? N minus 2 times 180. Am I right? It can use for all polygon. Okay? Even regular, irregular, sekata, tak kira. Can use for every polygon. Oh, it can apply to everything. No worries, not only triangle. Okay. So this one you must know lah. Total angle in a triangle is 180. Basic. Okay, 180. And then now guys, you got 6 triangle. Remember, kamu ada 6 segitiga. Okay, this is called equilateral triangle. Each angle 60. Okay, this one also they will tell you. Soalan akan cakap ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, so auto you all must know already lah. Setiap sudut is 60. Each angle must be 60 to be called equilateral. Mereka takkan cakap this angle is 60. They won't tell like that. They will say equilateral triangle. Okay, then you must know lah what does it mean. Okay, guys. So how about isosceles triangle, segitiga sama kaki? How many angles are the same here? Berapa sudut nilai dia sama in isosceles? Yes, 2. You can see over here. two same length, two same angle. Okay, this is how it goes. Okay, this one we call it as wait, let me think. Scalene, I think, if not mistaken. Yeah, scalene. Tak sama kaki means all the side are different length. Setiap sisi panjang berbeza, setiap sudut juga berbeza. Each angle different. Alright, and then this one, acute angle triangle. Okay, segitiga bersudut tirus. So guys, let me ask you, which one of these three triangles boleh masuk bawah ni? Yang mana antara tiga yang saya bulatkan dalam biru is an acute angle triangle? Can anyone tell? No.
Sama kaki and sama sisi.
Sama kaki takkan jadi acute angle. Guys, remember, segitiga bersudut tirus, acute angle triangle, semua sudut kena tirus. All the angle must be acute. So which diagram all the angle acute? This one only. Sebab semua lebih kurang dari 90. That's why segitiga sama sisi actually sama dengan segitiga bersudut tirus. Okay. Equilateral triangle is basically equal to acute angle triangle. So you can write both. It means the same meaning. Okay, sama maksud. Alright. So how about this one? Obtuse. Among these three, which one is obtuse? Antara tiga yang ni. Can anyone tell? Yang mana sudut cakar? If you all understand lah. Can anyone tell? Which one will come under obtuse angle? Okay,
Sama
yes,
kaki.
third definitely. Second, let me think. Can. Okay, second and third boleh. Okay, dua-dua ni masuk for the sudut cakar. Okay, yeah, tak sama kaki. And also segitiga sama kaki also can. Okay, boleh termasuk. Okay, because obtuse is 90. Wait, let me think. Cannot. Sorry, guys. Only number 3 can. Guys, why I say number 2 cannot? Because obtuse angle sudut cakar antara 90 to 180. So if 91, if this one is 91, means this one also is 91. Sebab dia adalah sama kaki, isosceles. So guys, total already exceed 100 to 180. Jumlah sudut dah lebih 180. So cannot. Only yang ketiga ni boleh masuk bawah sini. Yeah. The top angle, it will always be acute. Okay, dia akan selalu lebih kurang dari 90 to get the total. Can you get it? Let me just check and see any possibility. Yeah, all will be acute one. Actually, right, I think this one also can come under the first case. Okay, acute angle triangle. Because no matter how, all should be acute. Semua akan sudut tirus. Okay, there is no combination where you can get obtuse. Alright, guys. So how about this one? The scalene triangle, segitiga tak sama kaki. Where does it come under? Does it come which one? Acute, obtuse, or right angle? Mana satu? Yes, it can be obtuse. Dia boleh jadi cakar. Right angle definitely cannot. Tak boleh segitiga sudut tegak. Tirus also cannot. Because tak sama kaki usually, right? One angle will be obtuse. Salah satu sudut pastinya akan cakar. So that's why it comes under obtuse angle triangle. Okay, guys? Can you get it? You must know which one equal to which one. Kamu kena tahu mana sama. Okay, guys? So I think should be alright, right? This one. Usually they won't ask fakta lah macam ni. Rarely they ask by just understanding only for you all. Okay? So guys, one more thing I want to ask. Hasil tambah sudut luaran. How much it equal to? This one is a fact. It just come to my mind. What is the answer? Sum of exterior angle for any polygon. Yes, remember 360. Tak kira polygon tu apa. Always 360. Sudut luaran dia. Hasil tambah semua. Okay, maksudnya, if you have 5 angle, 5 sudut, kamu tambah semua 5 sudut, you will have 360 total. Okay, so you can see example here lah. Okay, square. This one is just quadrilateral lah. The types of quadrilateral you have. Janice there. Guys, one more thing. You must know certain basic property of this quadrilateral. Ciri-ciri asas kamu kena tahu. Example, rhombus. Okay guys, I want to ask rhombus. Semua sisi, dia sama panjang ke tak? All the side. The length of all the side. Is it same or not? Yes, sama, correct. Because rhombus is exactly like your square. Sama saja, exactly the same. Just rhombus, dia bentuk dia macam square, but then it tilt a bit. Okay, it's like a square, but then like this. So this is how you get rhombus. Then this one, parallelogram, segi empat selari, almost the same as rectangle, but the sudut dia berbeza. Okay, it's not 90 degree. Usually, sudut bertentangan, the opposite angle have the same value. Yeah, parallel lines lah, correct. Okay, and then trapezium is by its own lah, one case like that. Okay, so guys, suddenly come out another question in my mind. Anyone know how to count the area of a rhombus? Macam mana kira luas sesuatu rhombus? What's the formula? Yeah, because all these questions I see, that's why I ask you all. I don't just simply ask. Anyone can tell me how to count area of rhombus? Basically, yes, correct. Diagonal length is basically the height. Yeah, panjang per penjuru is your height. So basically, this is your base. Okay, this will be your height. So base times height is the formula to count area of rhombus. Remember. Okay, ingat. Tapak kali tinggi. No setengah, no half. It's not triangle. Just base times height. Because why I ask this, if you all got try, it came out in SPM 2022 question. In a structure question, actual SPM, you can try and see. So I think soalan nombor 5 or 4, I forgot. Section A SPM 2022. You must know the area of a rhombus, then only you can count. Okay, so yeah, this was one of the interesting question lah in SPM. Actually, you all learned already before. Rhombus, let me check. I also not sure. Rhombus. I don't think so. Kite, trapezium, cylinder. None. That's why, guys, a lot of people don't know. Tak ada dalam senarai rumus. Not given in SPM. Because I said for the paper, of course, I remember which question is challenging, right? A lot of people also ask after the paper, what is rhombus formula for area? Yeah, maybe actually it's not in textbook also. That's why a lot of controversial. But then if you search online, you can find area of rhombus. A bit controversial. Okay, guys, clear on chapter 9? Any question? We already finishing Form 1. Yeah, correct. You all will experience it soon, don't worry. Kamu semua akan tahu. If a controversial question come out, you sure come and ask me one, I know. Okay, so next one, another, wait. Oh, I see. Actually, it comes under this topic. I think now I know already. Actually, you must try to divide the shape to a shape that you can recognize. Example, pentagon. You can form 2 trapezium and 1 rectangle. You can try and see. Sorry, I don't think it's pentagon. It is hexagon, if not mistaken. Hexagon, example lah. Can you see that you can form 2 triangle and 1 rectangle? So you can actually find the area. 2 segitiga plus 1 segi 4 tepat, you get a hexagon, luas. So you must know how to modify the diagram lah and find. Okay, can ask one. Okay, so you must pandai-pandai modify the diagram lah. Okay, so next one, you all learn lah how to count perimeter, all this. Okay, you must know how to count the perimeter for all the shape. Semua jenis yang ni. Should be no problem. Hopefully I end 9:30, hopefully. I'll see first lah. If we can finish Form 1, then we end lah. Yeah, that's why I thinking, because might not have enough to complete everything. Because Form 3 sangat pendek, Form 3 very short, Form 2 long. So maybe I might bring it forward to tomorrow lah, some topic. Maybe Form 3 I bring forward to tomorrow. Form 2, if can lah, we see. Okay, so don't waste time guys. The next one you all must know is luas area. That's why it needs some time also, this revision. Okay, correct lah, as you all say. Can you see here guys? Rhombus actually mereka tak bagi the formula. There is no formula. But the most similar one, if you see, is parallelogram. A times B. So actually rhombus use the same formula. Remember, rhombus area sama as parallelogram area because the shape almost the same. Okay? Yeah, Form 3 very important. Maybe that's why I might put it to the next tomorrow's one lah. Because all the Form 3, Form 4, Form 5 very important. Form 4, Form 5, I think you all strong already lah, but lower form only. Okay? Segitiga, all these you all should know. Kite, remember the formula of kite. They also ask in some trial. Certain percubaan negeri, you must know formula for lelayang. Half AB. AB is what? The diagonal, perpenjuru. Okay? Don't blame COVID. Blame yourself for not studying. Okay, even COVID, guys, you must still study one. Doesn't mean COVID education end. Yeah, kite given. So actually no need to remember. Okay. So trapezium, you all should know. This one very simple. Okay, this one I won't teach as the notes say, because this one you learn in Form 4 chapter 4. Exactly the same thing. Okay, so that's why I won't go through lah. It's a repetition. Okay, so next one we go to set. This one also they can ask. Remember guys, you must know how to draw this one. I saw one trial question, satu soalan percubaan negeri, how to draw pie chart. You all must know. That is why compass sangat penting. Jangka lukis. Sorry, jangka sudut. Protector. Sorry, I so confused already. Okay, protector important because you must measure the angle. Sudut kena tepat for each sector. So guys, do you all know how to convert from percentage to degree? Everyone here? Cara nak tukar dari peratus ke darjah. Any problem Because the question will ask you to convert one. Anyone? Do you know how to do this? Simple. Let's say I have 25%. Yeah, of course lah, using calculator, then what? Using your brain, is it? Okay. How to convert to degree? Macam mana tukar ke darjah? Can anyone tell me the answer? 25%? How many degree? If you can tell the answer, means you know lah how to do. Okay, final answer. I think correct lah. Yeah, you should get X is 90. Okay, 90 darjah. Yeah, Aida's method is correct. Yes, divide 100 times 360. Correct. That's the simplest method lah. Okay, so 25% 90 degree. Yeah. So this one you must know. Then only you can draw this. Okay, you must label inside. Pastikan kamu label setiap satu. Then you will get the mark. Okay, another one very important in SPM. Actually, all important lah. But the one most likely will come out is this one. Also asked a lot in trial. Draw stem and leaf. Batang dan daun. You must know. Okay, and remember, key. Make sure you have your petunjuk or else wrong. You must write the key. Alright, and this one, can anyone tell me what is the condition for all the numbers in the stem? Apa keadaan dia? Does anyone remember? What do you mean by 10? Yeah, small to big, correct? Yes, 1 digit. No decimal, no fraction. Tak boleh perpuluhan atau pecahan dalam batang. Only integer. Hanya integer saja, remember. Okay, sometimes the data boleh bagi perpuluhan. They can give you decimal, but you must find a way to only have integer in your stem, or else wrong. Okay, so this is one of the thing you all must know. If you want, you can write title. Okay, tajuk kamu boleh letak kalau nak. Okay, yeah, usually they will give easy one lah, not so hard. Okay, they won't give you complicated all. One more thing you all must know is the dot plot. Plot titik. You can separate Haida. Example 2.8. 2 is the stem, 8 is the leaf. 2 dp. Oh, 2 dp. Okay. Can. You can put 28 and 3. Stem leaf, but petunjuk kamu kata 28/3 mewakili 2.83. Do you get me? You can do like that. Doesn't mean must follow like 2.83 means 2 on the left, 83 on the right. You can modify how you like. That is why I say petunjuk tu penting. Your key is important. If you don't have key, the examiner can say you might mean 28.3. So it's quite, what to say, not clear, tak jelas. Okay, that's why you must have the key to inform the examiner. All right. So then dot plot should be no problem lah. So guys, can I ask you all, what does the dot represent? Titik tu mewakili apa? What quantity? Yes, frequency. Okay, the number. All right. Yeah, pemberat also can weightage frequency lah nama dia. All right, and then make sure you label x-axis. Kena label. What is your x-axis? Apa paksi x kamu? Pastikan label. Tajuk optional. Kalau tak mau letak tajuk, tak apa. They won't minus mark. Okay, but make sure you label the axis. Kena label. Alright? So this one actually kamu semua belajar lah bab form 4. But basic semua datang from here. This one lah your favorite guys. Form 4 to form 5. You all learn this. Am I right? Semua yang ni kamu belajar. Okay, histogram lah, frequency polygon lah. You can see how to draw. Cara nak lukis. Okay, you must draw like this. Alright, but usually kita tak label macam ni lah dalam form 5 bab 7. If you learn your form 5 chapter 7, we won't label like this. Remember. Okay, yang ni they put like that because it is under form 1 syllabus. Okay, tak semestinya you must follow this until form 5. Okay, when you write, make sure you guna sempadan atas, sempadan bawah, all that. Use your upper boundary, lower boundary, midpoint, all that. Jangan tulis dalam julat. Don't write in range like this. Data akan diberi dalam julat. You will see in the question, they will write like this. All this value. Then you interpret. Okay guys? Ingat don't follow bulat-bulat. Again, tajuk optional. Your title is optional. If you want to write, can. If you don't want, no need also. Okay? But axis, paksi dia kena label. Including unit. Unit penting. Then you will get full mark lah. No problem. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the last chapter lah. Guys, your favorite. Chapter terakhir is your favorite for form 1. Pythagoras theorem. Anyone don't know this? Please raise your hand. Kalau kamu tak tahu yang ni, I will ask you to drop at maths directly already. Saya akan terus kata drop at maths straight away. Yeah, honestly. Guys, this one don't play. Kalau soalan kebat come out in maths, trust me. Any hard question in maths, they always like to involve this. You must try to find a triangle from the diagram. In maths, you all will know lah, but mathematics sangat senang. Okay, just remember to use this. Okay, and you must remember, check the angle. Kalau bukan 90 darjah, if not 90, this one you cannot apply. Okay, remember. Alright guys, any question for the whole form 1 syllabus? We already cover. Any question? Seluruh tingkatan 1. 13 chapter, kita dah pulun. Any question? All crystal clear? Semua faham? Wow, you all so good, No question? Wait, I want to just check and see lah. How many chapter this form 2 have? Wow, got a lot also, Wow, okay. Okay, 13. Guys, maybe we cover half, can? Everyone here? Can you stay for half? We cover half of the form 2. Okay, Hey, don't laugh lah. I only this thing. Form 2 topic also penting, you know. Can, Okay. Okay, so next one, we talk about form 2 chapter 1, patterns and sequence. If you understand at maths, cannot. I cannot. Okay, you go. You can watch recording because you learned the form 1 already. Form 3 we will do tomorrow, definitely. Form 3 so form 3 to form 5 is tomorrow. Okay. So form 2 chapter 1 we learn patterns and sequence, pola jujukan. Basically, if you learn at maths, this is your APGP. Okay. Janjang arithmetic, janjang geometric. You talk but it's lock screen. He'll be with you till 1 a.m. also. You are exposing me, Eddie. Wait till I meet you in real life. You see what I'll do to you. Okay. Pola, Jujokan, pattern sequence. Okay. So first of all, you must know how to write pattern. Okay, take care. Okay, patterns. Guys, you must remember how you write this pattern. If you see this kind of sequence, how you write out the answer. Macam mana kamu tulis jawapan? Sometimes they will ask you guys, tell the pattern for this number sequence. You must describe in words. Very good. Exactly like how Haida write. Add 5 to the previous number. Tambah 5 kepada nombor sebelumnya. Same thing for divide or multiply. Okay, kamu apply saja konsep sama. Alright. Sometimes they can ask in section 2, paper 2 bahagian A. Yeah, correct. Always this format. Okay, this a recall lah for y'all. Okay, this one interesting, guys. Interesting maths concept. Pascal's triangle. Have you all seen this? Kadang-kadang boleh tanya juga. So you must know how to use this triangle. Okay, this is called Pascal triangle. Never mind, too big. Basically, how it works is 1 tambah 1, the number in the middle, you will get 2. Okay, then you continue. 2 tambah 1, you get 3. 2 tambah 1, you get 3. 3 tambah 1, you get 4. 3 plus 3, 6. And then you get 4. The number at the side selalunya sama. Left side, right side selalu 1. Always number 1. Never change. Okay, so this is how we get Pascal triangle. Okay, if you see the pattern, kamu boleh nampak sesuatu lah. 1, 2, 4, 8, and then 16. Guys, what is this kind of pattern? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. You darab 2 kepada nombor sebelumnya. Am I right? You times 2 to the previous number. So this is how we form Pascal triangle. Okay, hubungan dia macam darab 2 pada nombor sebelumnya. Okay, so this one basic only lah, basic question they'll ask. Okay, so guys, anyone know what is Fibonacci number? Very important maths concept. Do you all still remember? Macam mana dapat yang ni? Urutan Fibonacci. Very simple. You look back at the previous number. Yeah, correct. 0 plus 1, you get 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Continue. Okay. Guys, you all know where does Fibonacci number apply? Kat mana kita aplikasikan nombor Fibonacci ini? Wow, your information not bad, huh? If you all look at your surrounding, certain flowers follow Fibonacci pattern. I am not lying. Okay, you can Google and see. Bunga-bunga, nature follows Fibonacci pattern. A lot of example, banyak kamu boleh lihat. Okay, so this is one of the great things of maths lah. Maths actually apply in nature. I also don't know, but I think it apply Fibonacci lah. Okay, a lot of things dalam alam kita guna konsep ni, nombor Fibonacci. You can see. Alright, so this is one of the important thing. And then progression. Progression actually, guys, can you all tell me if you all see this? What progression is this? Untuk yang ambil maths, arithmetic atau geometric? Which one? You actually learn this in Form 1, you know. Correct. Yes. Sometimes the mathematics mereka boleh tanya also how to find T3, T4. You can use maths. Tapi kalau keluar kertas 2, don't use the maths formula. Paper 1 is okay. Kamu boleh kira guna yang tu. Okay, so this is how we get jujukan arithmetic. Okay, and then of course we got algebraic expression. Okay, what does n represent, guys? You all do logical reasoning, right? Kesimpulan secara inductive conclusion. This is called inductive conclusion. Okay, then you write n equals to 1, 2, 3, continue. Alright, so this is under the first chapter lah. You all must know. Okay, and then this one be done also already. Okay, guys, any question? Chapter 1? Pantas saja, very fast. Nana, so we continue. Okay, factorization and algebraic fraction. Okay, this one important also because they can ask. Okay, yang ni suka tanya paper 1. They will give you 2 bracket, you must know how to solve lah. basic. Okay, example, kembangkan. I think you all should know, right, macam mana kembangkan yang ni. Just from the outside the bracket, kamu kembangkan masuk dalam. But make sure don't do careless. Bahagian ni very simple to do careless. Concept very simple. Okay, not much concept also. All these example, I think you all should know lah. These two, dua-dua ni kamu belajar in your quadratic. So you should know lah how to kembangkan your quadratic. Okay, ikut pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. Then you can get the answer. Alright. So, and also remember, nak simple, kamu gabungkan sebutan serupa. Try to collect all the like terms, then you solve. Okay, kalau kamu ada banyak ungkapan, kamu kadang-kadang confused. So make sure you gather all the like term, then you'll be simple already to get the answer. Okay, so anyone know to expand this directly, tanpa guna kaedah ni, anyone know? The fast method, kaedah pantas. Do you all know how to do it? Very simple, guys. If you want to expand 3p plus 2 square, 3p kamu kuasa 2. Yeah, correct. You all know, not bad, correct. Yeah, exactly like what Haida, right? Okay, use the method. Alright, so kamu tak perlu pisahkan jadi 2 bracket, all that no need. But if you want to check, you can use that method lah. That method, correct. Okay, so this is how we do it. And then this one very simple lah, guys. Kamu gabung 2 pecahan jadi 1 pecahan tunggal. Okay, you rationalize the denominator. Rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. So example, how you get 6c? 3 darab 2c. Because 6c is a common multiple of 3 and 2c. 6c itu adalah gandaan serupa 3 dan 2c. Okay, that's why you get 6c. Alright. So this is another example. And then this one also similar. Guys, remember, jawapan akhir must be paling ringkas. Okay, so example, can I leave my final answer here? Boleh tak saya tinggal jawapan kat situ?
Can, but less mark.
Yes, can. Okay, I like your sentence, can, but less mark. True. Okay, betul. Kamu tak akan score your final mark. Final mark, you must write this. Try to simplify to the most ringkas. Okay, then you will get correct. Alright. So, any problem this one? Siapa-siapa tak tahu basic ni? I think you all should know, right? I know it to explain, right? I also don't know how to explain this because it's just like that. Okay, yeah, very understand. Okay. Okay, this one. Guys, I don't think you all need to use this lah, to be honest. Yang ni. Kamu semua tak guna kaedah ni lagi kan? This one. Actually, no need. Saya pun tak mau ajar. Ya, sakit kepala. Direct factorize only. Faktorkan terus. Because this one teach for the form 2. Oh, cikgu NMAT kamu guna. Okay. Interesting. But you can do directly lah. Okay, kamu boleh buat terus. No need to draw all this. Okay. Direct factorize only. Kamu kenal pasti faktor serupa saja. Just identify the common factor for all the equation, then you can solve already. Okay. So I don't think I want to go through this lah. Too easy. Okay. So this one is one thing important. Maybe some of y'all never noticed lah. This last one here. Yang ni. Okay, first of all, you see the common term lah. Common term you see is 2p. Am I right? 2p. So that's why you factorize out the 2p. Am I right? Matlamat over here is to get the same number in the bracket. Okay, kandungan dalam bracket tu sama. That's why we combine both. So we factorize, kita faktorkan dalam cara untuk dapat nombor dalam kurungan ni sama. Exactly the same number. Okay, so that's our goal here lah for this kind of question. Okay, you must know because paper 1, like x equals 1/4 can turn to correct. Maksudnya kuadratik kan bab ni. Kamu dapat punca kamu x equals 1/4. Jadi langkah ke atas dia 4x minus 1 sama dengan kosong. Am I right? Cikgu kamu ajar terbalik. Make dia pergi dari jawapan ke jalan kerja. Okay, can also, boleh. Because method ni kamu guna kalau kamu tekan calculator terus. Calculator takkan tunjuk yang ni. Calculator tunjuk jawapan akhir. So macam mana dapat jalan kira ke atas, kamu guna kaedah ni. Macam tu lah. Okay, but usually saya sarankan ikut flow yang the normal flow lah. Kamu tunjuk semua jalan kira. You must show all the working. Okay, jangan bagi jawapan terus saja. Okay, so then usually this is the kind of question they like to ask. This one, I think you all see right in paper 1. Am I right, guys? Paper 1 suka tanya like this. Okay, so you must know how to solve. Especially bahagi, they will involve this one. Okay, so you must make sure bahagi don't directly solve, tukar jadi darab. That's why opposite, songsang. Remember this one. Okay, and then usual procedure. Kamu faktorkan yang ni. Okay, you must know how to factorize lah. Pisahkan jadi dua kurungan. Separate to 2. And then this one, you see lah, common factor is 4. Faktor serupa 4. And then this one, kuasa 2. Maksudnya 2 kali lah, repeated twice. And then this one, faktor serupa 5. Common factor. That's why you can split it out. Okay, then the common thing, yang mana-mana sama, kamu potong. Then you can arrive to the final answer. Okay, this will be your final answer. No, she didn't teach us that. I'm the one who noticed that. There's like equation that actually... yeah, correct. That's my method lah. Correct. Exactly like that. That's what I mean. Because calculator won't show you the one x minus 2 equal to 0. It will directly show you x is 0, x is 2. Alright, so you must know lah how to get back the top equation. Okay, that's why I advise follow the normal way lah. Wow, guys, first thing I see is this one. What do you guys think of this? Suddenly see bangsa coming out, Melayu, China, India. What an example. Okay, not bad. Quite creative also, the notes. This one also, this topic, quite easy lah, I will say. Algebraic formula. Okay, very simple also this one, guys. You must know how to write only lah, basically. Okay, all of this. I think this one should be no problem also lah, tak ada masalah. Okay, basically, this one, they can involve more than one variable, can be 2 or 3, but you don't need to solve persamaan serentak. No worries. Mereka takkan tanya, cari nilai ABC untuk yang ni. They won't ask like that. No worries. Okay, so you just need to know how to do the algebraic expression only. Ungkapan algebra. Then no problem already. Alright? Just follow only the order. Then you will get it. Okay, example lah. Bilangan berbangsa Cina. You will get, you just add all the value lah, plus all the value. Then you get the answer. Alright, same thing for all of this. Okay, guys? This one also should be no problem, right? Okay, then this one, I also don't know what to say. This one you all must know. Famous question. Ungkapkan, express. Make sure you know how to make certain variable the subject of formula. Satu sebagai perkara rumus. Okay, you must know how to pindah-pindah all these things. Especially soalan macam ni. This one very easy. Yang melibatkan cert tu lebih susah. Okay, you must know how to do all this. Okay, guys. First thing I want to let you all know. Does anyone struggle from the 3rd step to the 4th step? Can you all tell me? Siapa-siapa tak tahu macam mana dari baris ketiga jadi kepada yang keempat? Because some people confuse here. So anyone got problem here? Can you all type? Or everyone know how to do this? No problem, Basically, how you do is you just kuasa 3 dua-dua belah. That's how you get this one. Okay, kuasa 3, punca kuasa 3 is cancel out. Cube root and power 3 no more. That's why you get 7f. Okay, then you solve as normal lah. Okay, then you will get the answer. So this is one of the hard question lah. And then of course this one, I think I don't need to say lah. You just substitute only. Gantikan saja semua nilai. Okay, this one should be no problem. Alright. So let me see. I think 2 more then we end. Because halfway point is chapter 5. Okay. So 2 more guys. Can tahan, right? You all. Remember our goal A+. Okay, I think you all can tahan lah, I know. Can you all strong lah, not bad. Okay, first thing guys, you all must take note. This chapter very important because angle, sudut. So you all must know. Alright? Axis of symmetry. Remember, axis of symmetry. Keyword, regular polygon only apply. Hanya polygon sekata kamu guna info ni. The axis of symmetry equal to the number of side. Only regular polygon. Important info. Okay, sometimes they can ask lah in certain objective. Alright? And then this one, I think you all must know lah how to classify interior, exterior. Okay, so can I ask you all again? X plus Y plus Z sama dengan, what's the value? Yes, 360, remember. Okay, A plus B plus C, how much? Very good. Okay, A plus X, how much? Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, correct. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Okay, this one nothing much lah. All of this is the basic you all should know. And then again lah, this formula. Just now only we talk. Okay, we all talk about this. Y is same as what? Y where's the Y? Y. Oh, Y plus B is 180. And then I think nothing else, if not mistaken. Nothing else. Y equal to X. Let me see. I don't think so, because the line is not the same. Yeah, correct. But this is not the case. Usually that one you will see in a circle. Soalan tu dia akan bagi bulatan, then you identify. Okay, usually not directly. Okay, that one I know. We will discuss that kind of question soon in our trial paper. You all can see the example later on, because I think got that kind of question. But this one I don't think so. All right. So then exterior angle, again we use the same concept. So if you want to find nilai satu sudut, you divide by the number of side. One angle, you divide number of side. Same concept for this. One interior angle, divide the number of side. Itu saja. Alright, and then you can see this one lah. This is the simple concept. Interior plus exterior, 180. Okay, and then the sum of interior, 360 lah, normal. Okay, and then you can see some example here. I think you all know this also lah, should be no problem. This one is the example of irregular polygon. Each of these what to say? The different side length. Setiap sisi dia berbeza. Okay, so yeah, I think this all lah, nothing much here. Okay, so this is chapter 4. Oh, this topic important, guys. Guys, if you never focus all this while, this topic you must focus. Why I say that? Paper 2. Trust me, guys. Bulatan is one of the famous topic to come on paper 2. Circles. Yes, please. You all must know all of the property of circle. This one must. Okay, I think this is the last lah. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'll make this the last. Okay. Question on longkang. You mean lengkong? Longkang? Oh, tunnel. Yes. Use bulatan also. Correct. Okay. So first thing, guys, you all must know all the property of circle. Ciri-ciri bulatan. So guys, circumference. Can anyone tell me the formula? Rumus bagi lilitan. All of these fingertips. You all must know. Pi d. One more formula, please. 2 pi j. Very good. Okay. Anyone? Okay, jejari, radius, you all must know, it is half of the diameter. Setengah bagi diameter, you get jejari. So guys, I want to test you all. Let me see. Okay. Is this the diameter, guys? Kalau saya lukis garis merah, is it a diameter? Adakah dia diameter? No. Remember, diameter always pass to center. Yes. Okay, diameter kena selalu melalui pusat bulatan. Tempering, tempering is segment, right? Okay, tempering segment. This one, actually, we call it as chord. Perentas. Yes, correct. Okay, this is called chord. Perentas, dia tak melalui pusat bulatan. Chord never pass to the center. Anywhere else. Okay, this is a chord. This is a chord. Macam-macam kamu boleh lukis. Wait, good question. I don't think so. If it's a chord, we will call it a chord. That's why they come out with a new name called diameter. Diameter must pass to the center. Chord never pass to center. Perentas. Chord to perentas. The end. Okay. And then from all of this, you will get to identify lah minor sector, major sector, sector minor, sector major. Macam mana kamu dapat minor? Because it is small lah. The small sector, sector tu kecil. Major, sector tu besar. Then you have minor arc. Maksudnya panjang dia pendek lah. It is a short arc. And then major arc, panjang kamu, lengkau kamu panjang lah. That's why it's major arc. Okay, and then minor segment, major segment. Major segment, luas tu besar, the area big. Yeah, very simple. You can have 6 arc, segment and sector. Okay, lengkok, tempering dan sector. Major, minor. So total kamu ada 6. Alright, so you must know all these lah. This is the basic for circle. Later circular measure kamu belajar balik lah all of this. Okay. This one, properties lah, ciri-ciri. Okay, so this one you all must know that. Let me see. Okay. When you got the diameter and it cut to the chord, diameter bulatan tu potong perentas, so it will cut equally. Macam konsep pembahagi berserenjang, perpendicular bisector. Guys, do you all remember perpendicular bisector? It will cut equal length. Panjang dia sama. Okay, that's why you get this concept. Alright. And then this one also same concept. The chord, if it's the same length, you will notice that these two lengths will be the same. Okay, and it must be 90 degree. 90 darjah. You can see over here. 90 degree, 90 degree. Then the length will be the same. Okay, these all are the property you all should know. Mereka boleh uji. Alright. And then this one, another example. Panjang lengkok will be sama. Okay, if the chord length is the same. Kalau perentas panjang tu sama, lengkok tu pasti sama. Doesn't matter where is the chord. Okay, so this is how you do lah for the second part. So the last part for our session today, this is the most important part lah guys. This is what they will ask in paper 2, kertas 2. Just now all paper 1. Okay, you must know all this formula. Tetapi diberi lah. Circumference, area of circle, you all should know pi r square. So can I ask you all, semicircle, what's the area? Apa luas semi bulatan? Because they can ask you, apa luas semi bulatan? Yes, half pi r square. This form, yeah, correct, shown. These two diberi, tak perlu hafal. Okay, both of this is given. Alright, so how to know the pi? Macam mana tahu? Usually soalan will give you the pi. Remember guys, important point. Don't simply tekan kalkulator kamu nilai pi. This one. Jangan buat yang ni dalam matematik modern. Don't do like this. Question akan beritahu guna pi sama dengan berapa. Use pi equal to what. So use that value. Jangan guna pi yang ni. Don't use the exact value. Jangan guna nilai sebenar. Follow back the question. Remember, because a lot of people make wrong here. Okay, how to know this theta is what? Kamu lihat, sektor tu terbentuk, sudut kat tengah-tengah tu berapa? What is the angle subtending the arc? Okay, the angle subtending the arc, itu adalah theta kamu. Okay guys, so yeah, this is today. So we cover 5 chapter also in form 2. Okay guys, are you clear with today's class? Do you understand better now all your lower form topic? Anything you all learned today? Something new? I think surely got something new lah you all learn. Recap a bit. Yeah, we cover 15 chapter total. More than 15 I think. Yeah, very good lah. Okay, so yeah. So I would like to wish good luck for SPM since it's day after tomorrow, right? So yeah, take care. Good luck for your SPM. Not yet. Okay, Form 3 most important. The most important part you all must know is Form 3. Higher format, I do all the intensive class already. So should be okay lah. We continue with this. Form 2 plus Form 3. If can, we go to Form 4, Form 5 lah. Night time, not afternoon. Yeah, got. I sent already. Later I'll send back lah, if you all want. Oh, no. That one was earlier announcement. Now I changed already. I send the pin message. Look at the pin message, guys, in the group. All the timing. Oh, wait. The pin message I changed already. Sorry. I must put back. Yeah, got. Same time. So, okay, guys. So, any question you guys have left? I know SPM coming near, right? You guys all very distinct already. No. Guys, remember, no more maths class until maths paper finish. I won't teach maths until your maths finish. After that, we do maths. Now all maths only. Focus. Okay? So, hopefully kelas ni membantu kamu lah sampai sekarang. Okay? Hopefully. Okay, got a few more days, guys. We all together. So, make use lah of the few days we all left. 6 more classes left. Then, that's it lah. So, if you still got friends want to join, please invite them. Okay? Yeah, Monday listening. Yeah. So, good luck lah for Monday. Yeah, Selasa BM. Yeah, you all packed already, I know. Teacher dah habis lah, of course. Macam mana saya boleh ajar kalau saya sama batch dengan kamu? 5/2. Yeah. Correct. I know you all studying for sejarah a lot.